Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy a theme on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, make sure to head over in here to your online store, and on default, you should be able to head over to your themes. Now, as you can see, this is the theme that I have right now. This is the theme library that I have. So what we can do is we can click on this add theme that we have right here. Click on this visit theme store. And then as you can see, this will open in here a new tab wherein you should be able to see your theme store. Now on this theme store that will open, you can see in here some free and some paid themes that you can choose from. So for example, for this, just choose a theme that you like. And for example, or for instance that you see that they're actually paid, you can head over and then just try to click on them. And then once you have clicked on that, you can see their price right here. Now click on this try theme right here. And then once you have clicked on that, this will add in here a theme trial to your online store themes. So take note that this only will be a trial and you should be able to just buy this just later. So as you can see, it is actually installing the aesthetic, and as you can see, they have in here a label of theme trial. And as you can see right here, before you're able to customize it, you can actually buy it first before you publish it. So when you click on this buy button right here, this will load like this, and then this will load again the tab for the theme store of Shopify. So in here, you should be able to see some few more things. So this is the checkout page for the theme. So head over and add an address right here, and then choose your payment method. Once you have done that, just head over and click on approve right here in order to get a one-time charge for this theme that you want to buy. Once you're done with that, you should be able to see the publish button right just like this, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below, subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.